If you've got Luno app on your phone but you're not making consistent profits, you're probably missing out some trading secrets and proper strategies on how exactly you can make consistent profits on Luno, because trading has never been this easier before. So in this video, I'm going to show you my exact blueprints on how I make at least 1,000 Rand every day trading on Luno, and make sure you watch the whole video to the very end so that you won't miss out anything, and make sure you apply all the strategies that I'm going to show you in this video. So without any further ado guys, let's jump right into it. So most people think that Luno app is just for holding Ethereum and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. But if you've got an app, you can actually trade and take advantage of, cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. And it's very, very simple to trade on Luno crypto exchange. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the strategies, everything that you need, and of course, how exactly you are going to trade on Luno and make consistent profits. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Arthur, and on this channel I make videos about crypto and pretty much anything that is related to crypto. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, because these videos take a lot of time and stuff like that and dedication, you know what I mean? So I've got the Luno app, fine, but many people don't know when exactly is good time to buy and when exactly is good time to sell. You can't just be buying at any price because you saw on the news or you heard someone saying that the market is going to go up, and that's not how it works in crypto. So if you want to be a profitable trader, you better take this trading game seriously, and of course follow up all the strategies that actually work in crypto, you know what I mean? So let's just jump right into the video. And of course, if you don't have an app, the link is going to be in the description below as well. So if you don't know what Luno app is all about, bro, this is an app that you can use to pretty much deposit and withdraw crypto and buy and sell cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. And it's mainly for spot trading crypto. And you already know that spot trading is all about buying and selling cryptocurrencies. So the trick is you have to be buying at lower price and sell at higher price, and that's how people make money in crypto. But many people don't know when exactly they have to be buying and when exactly they have to be selling and stuff like that. So in this video, we're gonna go through all that. I'm gonna show you how exactly you can trade on your phone or computer, and when exactly you have to be buying and when exactly you have to be selling. So let's start with the most important solution for this video, which is when exactly do we have to be buying and when exactly do we have to be selling, you know what I mean? So as you can see right now, I'm on TradingView and we're looking at Bitcoin price right here, Bitcoin to USDT. So as you can see right now, I've got this indicator called signal strike, and this indicator is giving me these signals in real time, like when exactly should I have to buy and when exactly should I have to sell. Buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, you know what I mean? And this is exactly what we need, because on Luno we have to be buying at lower price. When the price is down and everyone else has sold their Bitcoins and stuff like that, we have to be buying and take advantage of this opportunity, so that when the price is up, like right here at the top, we have to sell our cryptocurrencies on Luno crypto exchange and make some profits, you know what I mean? So this is what spot trading is all about, and this is how exactly you can take advantage of Luno app. So after applying this strategy that I'm showing you in this video, making consistent profits on Luno app should not be an issue. So let's get back right here. As you can see, this indicator pretty much works in real time. Currently getting a buy signal right here on 4-hour candlestick, right? We got the buy signal. So let's switch to at least 15 minutes and see what we have on 15 minutes time frame. As you can see right now, we got the buy signal right here, and the price is likely moving towards upside. As you can see, we got the buy signal right here at 108, and the price is currently pushing upwards, and I mean, so a lot of you might ask me like, okay, fine, so we're getting the signals, but what if you miss out these signals? What if you're not getting these signals in real time? What can we do in this situation? So to solve this issue, you have to use the alerts so that we're gonna get notified when a signal comes. Like right here, you can see that we got this signal and the price is still going up. As you can see, we can literally zoom out so that you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, we got this buy signal exactly right here at the bottom, and the price has been pushing to the upside, and right now is sitting at this price right here. You know what I mean? So we want to set an alert and be like, okay, fine. If I get a buy signal just like this one right here, I have to get a notification in my phone telling me that it's good time to buy cryptocurrencies. Same thing applies on if you want to sell your cryptocurrencies, just like right here. You set an alert and be like, okay, fine. If a sell signal comes, I want to get a notification in my phone, or I want my phone to ring so that I'm going to jump on Luno crypto exchange and then sell my cryptocurrencies so that I can make some profit. So to do that, you go to signal strike indicator and click on this three dot and click where it says an alert right here. You know what I mean? So right here is a symbol which is Bitcoin to USDT, and this is a pair that we are looking at right here, and the condition is just signal strike indicator. And right here you have to choose whether you want to get a sell alert or a buy alert. You know what I mean? If you get a buy alert, it means that it's time to buy some Bitcoin at the bottom, just like right here, so that you're going to sell later at higher price. So in this case, we want to get a sell signal because we want to sell our cryptocurrencies. We already got a buy signal right here, and we want a sell signal to come right here at the top so that we can sell our cryptocurrencies working in real time and stuff like that. You know what I mean? And you can just leave it at a trigger like this and just click create. So if a sell signal comes, we're going to jump on Luno crypto exchange and sell our cryptocurrencies. So let me show you how exactly you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Luno crypto exchange. As you can see right here, I've got some funds in my account, and I'm going to use these funds to pretty much show you how exactly you can buy and sell. So there's two methods to do this. You can either use a market order or a limit order. With a market order, you pay some fees, but it's not really a lot. So a quick way to buy and sell, cryptocurrencies on Luno is just by using this feature right here, buy and sell. So let's say we want to buy some BTC. For example, let's take advantage of this signal right here so that we're going to sell at the top right here. You know what I mean? We're just going to go ahead and click buy and buy some crypto, right? Just like right here, and you're gonna select the Bitcoin because we want to buy Bitcoin, right? We can also select Ethereum, XRP, and stuff like that if you want to take advantage of all of these pairs. But in this case, we are looking at Bitcoin price right here. Let's say you want to trade Ethereum or XRP, you can just select right here like Ethereum pair or XRP pair right here, so that you're going to take advantage of it. It's very, very, very simple. So we're going to select BTC and click got it, fine. All right, we want to buy some BTC and it's going to be once off. So if you don't have crypto in your wallet, you can pretty much just use your South African rand, depending on where you are in the world. So I'm in South Africa right now. I can pretty much just make a deposit from my capital, whatever, and then fund my account so that I can be able to buy some BTC. But if I already have some BTC, I can just use funds from my wallet, and you can see that right here I've got 471 USDT, and this is USD, but in crypto we call it USDT. You get the point. So right here I have to choose the amount that I want to buy. So for example, let's say I want to buy like 5,000 worth of BTC, or let's just say 1,000 worth of BTC right here, and then we're just gonna go ahead and click next. So here's just a summary. It says buy this amount of BTC at the price of this BTC in USD. So I'm buying this amount of BTC at the price of 109,000 US dollars. You know what I mean? And this is just a summary of this trade. So I'm gonna pay approximately 2%, which is like 20 rand for transaction fees to go through and stuff like that. So this is the quickest way to buy BTC on Luno crypto exchange. And if I'm satisfied, I'm just gonna go ahead and click confirm, and just like this, we are good to go, and we have got some BTC in our wallet, as you can see right here. All right, so that was simple. But what if you want to use a limit order? So with a limit order, it allows you to pretty much put your own price and decide where exactly you want to buy your Bitcoin. For example, let's say Bitcoin is being traded as 109 and you want to buy Bitcoin as 105,000 USD. You can pretty much use a limit order and put your order at 105,000 USD instead of buying it at the 109,000 USD. So if the price of Bitcoin drops to 105,000 USD, your order is gonna get executed and you're gonna have some BTC in your wallet, and that's called a limit order. So same thing applies right here. Let's say if you want to sell your BTC, you made your profits and stuff like that, and after getting a sell signal, as you can see, the price keeps on going up, and then we just get the sell signal right here, meaning that we should sell right now because the price might go down. You know what I mean? So we can simply go ahead and click sell, and then right here you have to select the cryptocurrency that we want to sell. So in this case, we want to sell BTC. We're selling back to USDT, so we're just gonna go ahead and click max and click sell and stuff like that. And this is how simple it is to buy and sell on Luno crypto exchange. You know what I mean? So as you can see, the indicator pretty much works in real time. You know, after getting this buy signal, the price keeps on pushing up and up, and currently we got the sell signal exactly in real time right now. You know what I mean? You can see this candle just came right now, and then we get the sell signal telling us that it's good time to sell. So we have to sell now, so the price is gonna go down and we make our profits and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So I'll leave the link to the indicator in the description below as well. It's called signal strike indicator, and pretty much anything, including the link to Luno crypto exchange, is gonna be in the description below as well. So this is my name is Arthur, guys. Thank you for subscribing and watching these videos, and guys, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. If you keep on liking these videos, it motivates me to come right here and then deliver all this good stuff and stuff like that. And of course, YouTube push these videos to reach out new audience. You know what I mean? So let's keep on liking these videos, guys. It really helps the channel. Therefore, I'll send the video, guys. Love and peace. Cheers.